Dada. This one, they blow grandma give your mama like this. You just know she understand them.
I no. Hey, but waiting they sweet my belly be say she no disgrace herself like Igwe. Ha! At least she know they shout he say. See Igwe why they tell something where they very unique. Igwe just they they shout he say.
That's what they shout he say they go. You know say Igwe they used to shrine and native doctor. Anytime you blow any grandma, you go they see her like incantation.
Walai, not true you talk. Hey, my brother. He go red.
He don't red already.
When we enter that village, everywhere go still.
They will believe they will come.
See, I don't draw the map. You understand? So now for us to execute the plan well.
Yes.
You don't understand?
Now. Dada di don dada.
Na me.
Dada di don.
Now we dey here.
Koboko for illegality.
Chai!
The law herself.
Imakuonyambo.
This traffic jam today. Hey, driver, you shouldn't have passed through Okigwe Road. Huh? See what you have caused. See the traffic jam. We've spent almost 3 hours at that junction. 3 hours.
I just hope we meet her at home because she's a very busy person.
But the king informed her beforehand, so she should wait. The king sent a message that he's sending his own royal convoy to come and pick her. So she's supposed to wait.
Yes, indeed, the king did so. But we are talking about a barrister.
Yes.
She's not just a jobless city girl. I just pray we meet her. She's always busy.
No matter what, she should have respect for the king and wait for us to come.
If you say so.
No,
but my mind tells me that she's going to give us headache when we get there.
No. There's nothing like that.
I just pray.
She's a nice lady. She's a nice lady.
I pray so.
Barrister. Hey, driver, you will increase your speed small.
Ha. See, I just tell you my own. Let us go to that shop and return this suit. I'm not a suit person, no. I just carry my last card, buy this suit. Big cocoa.
Abi, make I call the Igwe. You should say I no go just pick my phone, call him, ask him. If I call him now, you go there like say I dey desperate. And my value go come with
If I hear for your mouth again, I go swear for you. Call the Igwe. It's better you are seen as a desperate lawyer and you have the opportunity to eat in the palace in peace. Then with your pride here, you will die of starvation.
But the Igwe assured me. He gave me his word. He told me that he's going to send his royal convoy to come and pick us here this morning.
Now what is the time? Is it not 2 p.m.? They are not yet here. They will not come. The king was obviously joking with you. Yes, now. It's obvious. I could go return these clothes, give these people.
Mbano, the Igwe cannot joke with something like this now. It's not possible. You might be correct though. Because he get one kind laugh where he laughed that day where no just register well for my brain. I don't understand them.
And they say he was replying to your grammar. Remember, when they come concern grammar and he say amen, he say check up. The Igwe must have heard that you failed your exams. Yes.
Hey! Illegality.
Illegality. Leave illegality.
Okay, so if we go return these clothes now, what thing we go tell the seller?
Simple. Let us just go and tell them that we came to buy this clothes for a funeral we were supposed to go. But on reaching there, the person woke up. The person did not die again.
See, if you ask me, we will not come out this cloth here.
Why?
Make we wear and go there. Because if we come out here, put on for nylon, it go squeeze. And once the cloth squeeze, they don't go give us money.
Not true, Sha, not true. Oh, wear and go there, we'll go tell them. You know, At least he will tell them say yes. Say as we just reach there, we go bury the person. The person come, he stand up. He no gree die again. Even people got the drag and say, we don't already pay for man, or don't pay for the canopy. We need to bury you today. The guy say no, they die again.
Now I know why you dey fail for school. I don't even know how you enter university in the first place. Eh? Which kind of nonsense be that one? I beg, this your excuse. You know jail at all. As in you listen to this thing where you talk now, you good for your ear.
So person where die, you know the feel wake up.
When your papa die, you wake up.
No, that one not supposed to wake up.
I beg, this nonsense where you talk, even primary 3 children self no good talker.
Make
we just leave that thing. I beg, your thinking faculty dey faulty. I beg, make we dey go on the road. We go think out a better plan and a better excuse. Where we go take return the cloth, maybe this nonsense.
Anything we go make us return the slow mo, just return the clothes. Now that we go take, even if na half of the money they give us, we will collect the thing they go.
Man, how long will this journey take? I'm tired of sitting down here.
Look, I just hope we are not taking that same route again.
Same.
I'm so exhausted right now. Sitting in this car for another hour, in this traffic.
I'm very tired. Like, I'm so tired. God, please. Let's just get to the place. Please. Me, I'm tired though. I'm tired. Eh? I pray so. My dear.
Your Highness, you mean they are still on their way going since morning?
I actually received a text from one of the royal guards. And they were stuck in traffic for hours.
Traffic? That means they must have followed the Okigwe Road.
That's true.
That Okigwe Road is always busy with a lot of traffic. I used to avoid that road whenever I'm traveling.
Anyway, I have told them to pass through a harmful road on their way back.
That is better, my king. It's better.
I can't wait to see our barrister.
That Okigwe Road, mba. It's all right. They will soon come. It's okay.
Barrister! Greetings, Barrister. We are very happy to visit you in your humble home. Barrister, you see, we are very sorry for the delay. We are sorry. You see, the hold-up was so much along Okigwe Road, the traffic jam. So that is why we delayed a bit. We are sorry about that.
Barrister, he's correct. The traffic jam there was very, very heavy. Huh? We almost spent 4 good hours waiting. So that's the cause of the delay, please.
Hey, yo, yeah. A community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case, yeah. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble, but this time around now we dey look for case, yeah.
Well, my elders.
Yes, Barrister.
Welcome to my humble abode. All right. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go to the village with you today.
Hello.
Barrister.
Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Sexy ladies.
As I was saying, I will not be able to go to the palace with you today because, one, you people are late. In fact, very late. It doesn't show that you're serious. That is a very irresponsible act on your part. Well, because of that delay, I already fixed an appointment with the governor of my state.
Hey.
Oh, lest I forget, this is my secretary.
Okay, secretary.
We were on our way to honor the appointment we have with the governor. So as you can see, my hands are tied. There is nothing I can do about it. Okay? So, well done.
My lord, my lord, my lord. You know, I understand you don't want to disappoint the governor of this our dear state.
Exactly.
Oh yes, I know. But these are your people. The elders, the maidens, and the entire community, they are waiting for you. You have to temper justice with mercy. Forgive their delay.
My daughter, please, forgive us. I know that it's very difficult for you to disappoint the governor. We are talking about the governor of the state. We apologize, but you see, the king, all the elders, the whole community, they are waiting for your arrival. They are in the palace now, waiting for you. What do we go back and tell them? Please.
Exactly, barrister.
It's hard. It's hard. It's not easy.
Remember, you are the first community barrister we are going to have.
Okay.
And we've prepared heavily. All we need is your presence. Please, can you just come? Let's go.
You know, it is easy for you to say because you do not understand my predicament right now. You see this meeting we're talking about? I fixed it.
Oh, yes.
I gave them the time. So, I mean, how do I disappoint the governor? I mean, it's oh my God, oh my God.
It's not easy. It's not easy.
Biko.
Barrister, please. We know we stayed too long, but please. The women of Ezugu Kingdom are waiting for you. Please, Barrister.
Your father.
You are our last hope, please.
That's so sweet. Come on.
You people are putting me in a tight corner. What is this? I mean, what the governor.
I can understand.
Okay. Just hold on. Let me see what I can do.
Okay.
Oh my God.
It's not easy. It's not an easy thing. The governor is welcome.
Hello, Your Excellency. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Unfortunately, I am afraid I don't have good news. I will not be able to attend the meeting we scheduled for this afternoon. Oh, yes, sir, I understand, sir. Don't worry, sir, I understand. I will tell you everything. I will explain everything to you when we have our virtual meeting this evening as usual. I know. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you. Yes, sir, I appreciate it very much. Thank you, sir. Your Excellency, sir. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, my lord.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so very much, my lord. My lord.
Barrister.
I know how hard it took you to make that call. Yes. But trust me, it is worth it. I mean, you put your people first.
Yes.
Oh, yes. You are very correct.
Oh, yes.
They are my people. No matter how influential the governor is, he is a stranger and he will leave the office someday.
Oh, yes.
But my people will always be my people, and they are stuck with me forever. So it's okay. It's okay.
It's
thicker than water.
Exactly. No problem at all. So we need help with our log.
The log. Guards, come on, open this gate fast.
Look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister could drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supremo Court.
Do not go fit yellow. I take my shoe. I will not go fit. Leave this bag. We don't present this bag.
I don't understand. What is going on? Why are they dragging that man's bike?
That might be the Cancerox boys. They have come to collect their dairy tax, but the bike man refused to pay.
Park.
What are you up to?
I don't pay for this bike. I give you any money. I will want you. You don't fit. I will want you. I will want you. You don't go. Yellow. You don't do anything. You don't fit yellow. You don't do anything. I go brush you. I go want you. Yellow. Don't pay with a black.
Stop! What is going on here? Hey, I don't want to repeat myself. I said, what is going on here?
Barrister, you see these people? They collect money from us. Morning and evening. Every day. Whether we work, whether we chop, whether we won't die, whether we not get food, they don't care. They collect money from us. This money, I don't pay the 300 naira. This my guy here don't give the 300 naira. We never even chop. We never carry one passenger. This afternoon now they come. There's someone going to give another 500. Where do they pay the money for? We don't know. Not this guy. With them vicious too. But they follow us, they drive bike. Say 1 kill us.
Secretary, I hope you wrote down everything he said here.
Everything is here, documented.
Now, young men, who are you? And who gave you the right to come here and extort money from these young men? Who are you? Are you deaf?
You can't talk.
I don't want to repeat myself. Who gave you that right?
The councillor said we have the right to collect money from this bike man as compensation for voting him into powers.
What? Who is the silly councillor? Who is that foolish councillor? Do you know that it is illegal? Illegality. That is what it is. Now listen. My name is Barrister Dada. The power barrister operating in this town. The voice of the voiceless. Defender of the defenseless. And the Messiah of the oppressed. I am here to cleanse this town of impunity, of lawlessness, and of evil activities. And I am going to start from here. Now let me put it to you that you do not have the right to extort money from anybody doing their daily work. It is illegal, and I can send you to jail for that.
But Barrister, now there we dey chop our own now.
Oh, really? Now I forbid you from chopping. Go and look for a legal work to do. There are plenty of jobs that you can do that can make you money to eat. Not coming here to extort innocent young men fighting for their daily bread.
Don't hear them now.
Now,
don't carry your chest, go to find better work.
I give you 30 seconds to return the money you collected from them. Else, I will send you to jail. And don't think I am making empty threats.
The money? Now. Put the money from my hand.
Are they done? Yes, run as fast as your leg can carry you. Now!
Try.
Community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble, but this time around now we dey look for case. Our community barrister don't land. Our problem don't finish here. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you gonna say we get barrister. Jay, this one our own. Nkabum kanyina. Barrister Jebenilu na nyepuki na zona. Your fight is our fight. Your trouble is our hala. This one our own. Jay, our community barrister don't land. A problem don't finish here. If you then look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you gonna say we get barrister. Jay, a community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case.
Yeah, my people. It's okay. It's fine. For welcoming me this way, I will foot your peas. Eat and drink whatever you like. Just a drink, just a shot. I go pay. Who is here? Come. Ego adigo, money don't day.
Hey, Baba! No, it's true.
Yes.
No, I mean, it's a magic moment, a wonderful time. You are welcome. I am indeed everything. Yes, on behalf of.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, my elders and the people of Izebo Kingdom, we want to thank the gods for the favors upon your life. And I congratulate you on your graduation as a barrister.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, Your
No, this is in fact the first, product we are having, the first barrister in this community. Yes. And so for this sake, we don't want you to be far from us.
Your Highness, be rest assured that as a proper African that is rooted in her culture, it has always been my desire to come back to my roots, to my people, and give back to them. So let me assure you that I don't even have any desire to be far away from you people.
Your ways are like oil to a roasted yam. And a man whose enemy wants to set on fire will not go rubbing fuel on his body.
And that is so true. Yes. That is true.
And so that's why we have to protect ourselves. We already have a powerful chief priest that have been handling matters spiritually. And I, as the great king, have been giving orders, for the protection of our lives and property, as well as bring peace and prosperity to this land. And since you're here, it's a great pleasure. So I want you to take charge of legal matters and all the battles of our communities, presently and once in the future.
With all pleasure, Your Highness.
And we have assigned a royal car to you to enable you move around, go to anywhere you want to go to. Stay in your father's house, or you want to stay here in the palace because you have quarters waiting for you.
Thank you, Your Highness. I am so grateful. Thank you.
Yes. I want you to step forward and kneel down. With the power conferred on me as King Omelora of Ezogu Kingdom, I hereby confer on you the community barrister of this kingdom.
Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you gonna say we get barrister. Jay, a community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Our community barrister don't land. A problem don't finish. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court.
This one you're surveying my compound like an armed robber. Getting for what is it?
They are not here yet.
Who are they?
Your daughter, Barrister Dada.
My own daughter?
Of course.
Nwankem.
That is why we are here.
Back from where now?
Hey, you've not heard. The news is all over the town. You needed to see the convoy, the healers, the kind of car she came with, and the entourage. Are
you serious?
Yes, now.
Where? This is exciting. Did you see her?
Of course I saw her. She passed through my back. She did not just pass through. She came to save me.
Were you in some kind of trouble?
Ne, those useless talks of that councillor, they came to collect money from me as usual. I told them I have paid in the money. And I have not even realized the money I paid. I don't even have money to eat. These people wanted to kill me. They dragged my bike. In fact, and immediately, our barrister, the only barrister we have, came down.
Appeared.
She appeared. And she disfigured them with grammar.
Hey!
You needed to see grammar!
Hey!
They ran away! Of course!
Are you serious?
Makashuku, they can't stand now. See, that is not all. She ordered them to refund every dime. Including the money they took from me in the morning.
And they obeyed?
Who are they? They don't have any choice. They refunded the money. And told them never to step their foot there again. If they try it, it will jail them.
Wahala go bust. And they flew.
They all ran away. That is why we are here. We are here to say thank you. Yes, but
come here.
Now that she's not here,
yes.
No, we are going to wait.
You will wait?
Of course, we are going to wait.
Now.
We will wait.
Sit down and wait.
Yes, let's sit down. Let's sit down and wait for our barrister. Bring it. Who drink? Bring it. We now have a savior. You see those money?
Why did you allow him to go like that? What if he doesn't come back?
Well, you already paid for the drinks and pepper soup. Why are you worried?
Babe, drink and pepper soup is not enough now. We need this cash.
Drink up. There will always be a day for that.
A community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Our community barrister don't land. A problem don't finish. If you dey look for our trouble, you.
Tell what I need to guess. This is my wallet.
What nonsense? Wallets? We did not see any wallets.
So you did not see my wallet. Okay, wait. Don't go anywhere. Wait. Come here. Hey, wait. I said don't go. Where are you going? The wallet I left, I was with two people now. Where's the wallet? You did not see it.
Why
What nonsense wallet now?
We didn't see any wallets.
No problem. Let me see your bag.
Which bag? Let me see now.
What? I see this guy. I'll drag this and then. I'll drag it. Drag it. Yeah. Drag it.
Bend his hand.
Hey! You don't want to
break it.
A community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Yeah. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Yeah. Our community barrister don't land. A problem don't finish. Yeah. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, this one now our own. Nkabum kanyina. Barrister Jebenilu na nyepuki na zona. Your fight is our fight. Your trouble is our hala. This one our own. Jay, our community barrister don't land. Yeah. A problem don't finish. Yeah. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, a community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Yeah. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Yeah. Our community barrister don't land. Yeah. A problem don't finish. Yeah. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, a community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case. Yeah. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around, now we dey look for case. Yeah. Our community barrister don't land. Yeah. A problem don't finish. Yeah. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court.
Go punish una. Una papa there. Una papa left there, left hands. Una keep me join this one when I did. If say I can't jump now, use this hand, go knock round. What you have talk? Go punish una. You know better for now. Pon you there.
A problem don't finish. Yeah. If you dey look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless
dare you? How dare you pursue a daughter of this community with a machete? Do you want to kill her?
Who are you? And who gave you the right over what I do with my wife? Don't you ever talk to the community barrister like that again.
Young man, I don't want to repeat myself.
Barrister Dada, you are back. Actually, we were playing. We were just playing. It's exercise we were doing. She said she wants to do exercise. Maria, tell them that we are playing now. Come on.
Ah, Patrick, you are who is playing. You that you want to kill me. Ah, Patrick.
Abba Maria. Baby, tell them the truth now. Tell them that you are the one that said I should be chasing you the way I chase grass cutter in the bush. The exercise we always do. Tell them now. Okay, if I want to kill somebody, now not even my wife, will I use this kind of machete that is not even, it cannot even cut vegetable?
Oh really? The cutlass is that harmless?
Very harmless. In fact, this cutlass cannot even cut water leaf.
Let me have a look at it. I don't want to repeat myself. You are very correct. The machete is blunt. I mean, very, very harmless.
I told you.
You are correct. So you said you people are just exercising, right?
Yes, yes. She said I should chase her, you know, she wants to lose weight, so I should chase her, she will run, exercise that will do often. I don't even know. Why are you twisting things now?
Oh, that is very good, eh? Young woman, come. Okay, so, since you people are just having fun and exercising, from what I saw, he was the one pursuing you, right? Now you have to change rules. You will continue the exercise since you want to lose weight. But this time around, you will do the pursuing. Eh? Pursue him with this beautiful machete that he said is harmless. Eh? That cannot cut vegetable. Feel free to hit him or cut him with it when you catch him. After all, according to him, it is harmless. So feel free. You can.
Barrister, no. I don't want to do exercise. Me, I'm okay like this. I'm fit.
Oh yeah, pursue him.
Barrister, please. I don't want to lose weight. I am okay like this. I don't want to even do the exercise at all.
I don't understand you. According to you, you want to help your wife lose weight. Earlier, you were the one doing the pursuing. Now, I just want to change roles. It's the same thing, as long as there's running involved. So as you are running and she's pursuing you, you are helping her lose weight. My friend, pursue him.
Please. I don't want to do exercise. I am not looking for ways to lose weight. I don't want to do exercise. I don't want to do exercise.
No. But you want to help your wife. I spent so many years in law school. So many years. So I'm wondering what gave you the guts to even think that you can deceive me with lies. Okay,
Barrister. The truth is that I asked her to borrow me money and she refused. That's why I'm chasing her with cutlass.
Barrister, anytime I borrowed him money, he doesn't pay back.
This is my judgment. For trying to kill your wife with a machete, I consider this marriage very unsafe for her. I hereby dissolve this marriage for 1 month. Yes, 1 month. For 1 month, you shall live apart. And you shall ponder on this union. Tell yourselves the truth. And find out if this marriage is really what you want. If both of you can live peacefully. Listen, marriage is not a do or die affair. In fact, nobody should die because of any marriage. Understand me? So, you shall go home, think about your life and your future. After 1 month, if you still see reasons for you to continue this marriage, if you still think that that you can live with this woman peacefully. You can, after all. Who am I to judge? But in the meantime, she is coming with me to the palace. Now.
Problem don't finish here. If you then look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, this one our own. Nkabum kanyina. Barrister Jebenilu na nyepuki na zona. Your fight is our fight. Your trouble is our hala. This one our own. Jay, our community barrister don't land. Our problem don't finish here. If you then look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay, our community barrister don't land. Everybody come and register your case here. Gone are the days when we dey fear trouble. But this time around now we dey look for case here. Our community barrister don't land. Our problem don't finish here. If you then look for our trouble, you are in trouble. Cause our barrister go drag you to court tonight. Now that is our community barrister. She's a barrister at law, no use and play. Unless you want her to drag you to Supreme Court. At the time you go know say we get barrister. Jay.
Our barrister! Ah! Our barrister is here!
Oh my
yes!
God.
Our community is liberated! Yes! The only barrister!
Our barrister is here.
Our barrister is here! All hail our barrister!
Barrister!
All hail our barrister!
You are welcome.
All hail our barrister!
Our barrister, you are
our
welcome.
barrister is here!
You are welcome.
Look at her step!
Our barrister.
Ah!
Oh, you are welcome.
Look at her step!
Hey! No lawyer!
Hey!
No lawyer!
Oh, double money!
Mama,
look at my daughter!
Mama,
look at you! So beautiful! So classy! You look royalty!
Mama, I am now royalty by service.
Power!
This is not be small matter. See the truck that brought you in.
I told you now.
Oh, Mama,
just look at look at your daughter.
Hi!
Look at your daughter. After spending so many years in law school in Africa, I have made it. I have made it.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Our barrister is back.
So
yes.
So who is this young man with you?
Oh, Mama, this is my secretary. He writes everything I do, everything I say, including everything they say around me. It is his job to write it down.
Because since you entered here, he's been jotting, writing.
Yes.
What is his name?
His name is Odenibo.
Odenibo! The name suits him.
You know, we lawyers, we have our language and our handwriting. So he's writing in them as our...
I can see. Nemo.
He's okay.
You're part of the lawyer thing.
Yes.
our great lawyer. You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. In fact, 3 press up for you. 3 press up for you. You are welcome.
Fight is our fight. The trouble is our this one our own. Our community barrister.
Mama.
Nemo. So how were your exams? I heard the results are out.
Yes, they are out. Mama, do you know that my results nearly put me into trouble? Hey! Not small trouble, big trouble. Do you know I was arrested? I was even detained. They nearly put me inside jail because of my results.
I mean, why would they do such a thing to you?
They said I overwrote. That in the history of law school, in that school, in the history of law department, they've not had that kind of result before. They now said that I will have to prove to them if I am a spirit or a human being, because there is no way a human being will write the kind of thing I wrote. That person must be controlled by the spirit. That was how I started defending myself. That was how. Hey, it was not a small thing.
Sorry, please, can you repeat that sound again? I did not get the first one.
You want to write this sound too?
All right, young man, we write everything here. We write everything. So please repeat the song, please.
I always say Ewele.
Ewele.
Nem, the job of this your secretary must be very stressful.
Stressful is an understatement. Audio. They arrested him. They accused him of swallowing a computer. They said there is no way what he wrote and the way he was writing it was not manipulated by a computer. That he has to vomit the computer first before they even think of releasing him. It was not a small case. It was not a small case.
Hold it there. Please, can you repeat the Chineke? I want to know if your tongue touched your upper buccal cavity. Oh yes, because I would like to differentiate the diphthongs from the consonant sounds. Let's go.
Barrister, my stomach is a ways. I want to go home so that I can do the needful.
No. Again, you don't have to go home for the needful. You're not a visitor here anymore. You go inside and use the toilet.
I know I'm not a guest here, but I will have to go home and use mine. If I use it here, this mom, I decided to take this or write the sound of. I don't want it. Let me be going here.
Are you sure you don't need it?
I'm very comfortable. Hey, I don't need it. Lawyer, it's all right, eh? We'll see some other time.
All right. Be fast. Mama, I've not seen Bobo since I came here.
Because Bobo, he has become something else. Yes, now he goes around collecting money, all in the name of registering cases.
Registering cases for who? I don't know.
No. Oh, cases that he will present in your chambers. He invites people, they register their problem, he collects money from them, yes, and then he keeps the money. And he uses the money for women and alcohol.
Chime, I did not send him. That one is his business. I did not send him. In fact, I don't even want to talk about him in short. Now I know why you say we should not talk. Mama, did you cook? I'm hungry. It's raining.
No. I made your favorite.
Hey, Mama!
I told you I was going to make your favorite.
Mama!
Nem, if follow panchi. Hey, all panchi waste your far. Aya, audio.
Mama, did you say all panchi?
Write it in your book. All panchi. That means the tie of the grass cutter.
We are ready.
Right, you are ready too now.
Okay. Yeah.
You are ready. I'm coming. Never.
I'm coming.
Hey, my friend. Be careful so we don't go my details.
Yes. You need to act as if we know what we are doing. Understand? Yes. Obanchi. Very, very important. Let's do that. If somebody go tell me, say, I go chop food, even they remain small enough for inside plate like this, I don't go deliver. Now we be this, that my G. See also.
I don't tell you. I tell you now. I tell you say this thing will work. You see, our life is about to change. Hey, we don't make up.
About to do. Life we don't change. Our life don't soft like this. Now for you. You know, say as we dey like this, now you be the Android version of this thing.
Abi?
Yes, now. If now something remain, you for not the you know overthrow the man. Imagine the way you take the command, they give power. They check out how you take resolve that marriage for it.
Just the play now. They play. You don't understand. I tell you now.
You shock me.
I did too much. Forget everything. I did too much.
Sorry. But Dada, you go take a busy. They give all this command because the day where you go give command to the ones where you go beat us. I believe.
See, make I tell you the gospel truth. Now that convoy where they follow us, now they give me morale. If no be this royal gas where they where I forget liver.
I don't say forget liver.
I'm not gonna try am, I know the Chris. But they supposed to give me respect. After all, how many lawyers they get for this place? Forget matter.
I don't tell you. Don't go do the one way to go. I go run leave you.
See, but I tell you. You know no say if you want maximum respect, you have to put fear. You go ginger them, put fear, and at that time they go begin to respect you. If you come here and they do win, they do you anyhow now.
Lie, but you will try make you know anytime you see person will get big chest or they look like native doctor. No, put fear for that side. We'll not come here come kill ourselves, make the business for the go front.
And this I don't blame you. You don't get shame. Maybe you don't chop now and get liver to talk nonsense.
If you can't die young, now who will continue the business?
I better leave that thing. I know what they do. That's what lawyers they do.
Troublemaker don't come again.
Which troublemaker are you talking about?
The community barrister, of course. The same girl that stopped us from collecting money from the bike men. She has come to stop us from collecting money from the women.
Is she mad? What's my business if she's a community barrister? Eh? It be like say she won't die. It be like say she won't go jail. Come and show me the idiot. Come and show me the idiot.
You took away our money by force. Oh, cancel